Ever wondered what's secretly attached to a property's title and how to use that to your advantage? Today, we're demystifying property liens, diving deep into how Propstream can illuminate these crucial details, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. So, what exactly is a lien? In simple terms, a lien is a legal claim against a property for an unpaid debt. Think of it as a placeholder, ensuring the debt gets paid before the property can be sold or refinanced free and clear. There are several common types. Mortgage liens are the most familiar, securing a loan used to purchase the property. Then you have tax liens, placed by government entities for unpaid property taxes, and judgment liens, resulting from lawsuits. There are also mechanics liens for unpaid construction work, and more. The impact of a lien on property ownership is significant. It essentially encumbers the title, meaning a buyer or lender can't get a clean title until those liens are resolved. This can delay or even halt a sale. This is where Propstream becomes an invaluable tool. When you pull up a property in Propstream, you'll find a dedicated section detailing any recorded liens. You can see the type of lien, who holds it, the amount owed, and crucial dates. This data allows you to understand potential financial liabilities associated with a property. For real estate investors, identifying properties with liens can unlock unique opportunities. Properties with significant liens might be undervalued or distressed, presenting a chance to acquire them at a discount by negotiating payoffs. Propstream's advanced search filters allow you to specifically look for properties with certain lien types, such as tax liens or judgments, enabling you to proactively find motivated sellers and lucrative deals. By understanding and leveraging lien data with Propstream, you gain a powerful edge in the property market, turning what might seem like complexity into clear investment potential.